So, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about cut command, which is used to extract some contents from a file. So, I have a few files here. You can see three files are there. Okay. So, in this file, I have some columns. Each columns are separated with a tab. Okay, tab space. Let's say I want to get the column 3. Okay, I can use cut hyphen f, matlab field. Which field I want to get. Then let's say 3 or 4. So you can see now I got the column 4. Let's say I want to get column 4, column 5, column 6 or something like that. I can give here cut hyphen f. Let's say 4, 7 column. I want to get CF tab. You need to give comma. Now column 4 and column 7 I got. If you want to get the column within some ranges, let's say 2 to 7 or 2 to 5, then you can give hyphen. The 2 to 7. Here we need to give hyphen. Then CF tab file path. Now we got 2 to 7 all the columns. Okay. So again one more thing is there, complement. Let's say I'm giving 2 to 5. Okay. CF tab dot txt. So it will give me all the columns from 2 to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. This much. But I don't want this. I want the other columns which are not included in this field to be displayed. Then I can give one flag complement. Now you can see all the columns except 2 to 5 were displayed. Okay. So now in this file we had a tab space by default. But what if we don't have any tab? We have some other parameters to be splitted. Let's say I will show you. So in this file, I have the columns being separated with commas. Okay. So how can I split now? I can use cut hyphen D. D means delimiter, the particular value with which I have to split the file. It is comma. Then field. After getting separated with comma, I will have some 8 columns. Which field I want to get display. I can give, let's say, 2, 6. Then the file. Now I can see the two, like, second column and sixth column were printed here. Okay. Just like that, I can also print like in ranges. Hyphen M, let 2 to 5 or 4, cf comma dot txt. Now I can see three columns are printed. Okay. This is like splitting like a file with some values. Now I'll show you one more thing. Let's say I want to get without splitting the file, I want to get from index 1 to, let's say, till here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I can give like this, cut hyphen C means character from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's 6. Okay. Then file name. Now, or like from 1 to 6 I got. Let's say you want to get everything after sixth column. Okay, means sixth column means character wise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then I can give cut hyphen C 6 and I'll keep it blank. Means till the end it will fetch. See. Okay. Just like that, if I want to print from the beginning to a particular character from every line, I can give cut hyphen C. Let's say to 7 I want to fetch. CF comma. First value should be kept as blank. So I got this. So this is all about cut command. Thanks for watching, guys.